Hey, what's going on, guys? So today, roasting marshmallows. We're out camping, and I want to take this opportunity to show you guys how to roast the perfect marshmallow. Alright, so we're going to zoom in a little bit on our fire. Alright, adjust the camera. I just have one of those expandable fork things, so we're doing two of them. So the trick, really, I mean, what a lot of people do is just stick it right in there, they catch on fire, you get that black coating, that's all good, that tastes good, right? But if you want the perfect marshmallows, you really have to stay away from the open flame. You have to come down with the heat, and you have to keep them moving. Alright, so enjoy the technique. Just like a little rotisserie. So I'm staying away from the flames, they're going to heat up. Now ideally, I have the tripod here, but if you use, like, this is a little metal fire pit, if you use, let me turn the camera down more, if you use the edge to rest your pole, it's a lot easier to keep it in one spot, and then you can just rotate it. So we're going to do that, alright, but I'm going to give you a better shot of it. So here we go. Roasting marshmallows. Again, stay away from the flame. Now this is of course best when you just have a bed of coals. It's the easiest and the hottest. But I'm doing this while there's still a little bit of daylight so you guys can hear me, or see me rather. I suppose you can hear me in pitch black. You just always want to keep them moving. So that top right one you can see is a little brown. So it doesn't take long. You gotta keep it moving. Alright, so they're both starting to get a good char on them. They're nice and fluffy, I can tell as I'm moving around. This is actually easier on a stick because they won't want to rotate on you. With one of these fork things, it's possible it just slips right off, which the one on the right looks like it wants to. Alright, so that one's getting super soft, as you can see. Not quite all the way brown. What I'm going to do is I'm going to eat that one, and we're going to still work on that one. So hang on a second. Alright, so we're going to keep working on this guy. It is melty. Alright, so pop this guy off. Now you should be able to hold the outside because it's nice and dry. Hang on. The inside is super gooey and perfect. Alright, so there you go. The perfect marshmallow. Now if I have this on a stick, which I might try again in a minute here, you can get it to get even more golden brown, but that's basically what you want. A little shell on the outside, totally melted on the inside. Alright, give you a shot of that. There we go. That's a good marshmallow. Alright, so we're back. I have a stick, although it's a short stick, and you just want to take off the bark off the front so you don't get on your marshmallows. But this, because it's kind of rough and thicker, it's going to hold on better. With that metal, it gets super hot on the inside. And then what ends up happening is that it just falls off. Alright, so here's our traditional stick. Zoom in. Let's try to get that perfect golden brown. Again, the trick really is just keep moving it. Don't let the flame hit it. That's pretty much it. A bed of coals is always the easiest way to do it. So you already tell that it's starting to get brown. And obviously if one side's totally brown, you just work on the other side that's still white. And you can get this looking like it's from a commercial. But the marshmallow is already cooked right now. It's nice and soft, you can tell. I'm just trying to get that nice crispy outside. Almost there. Now, to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of s'mores. So, obviously you could throw this in your graham cracker and your chocolate and stuff. What I would do is I would actually put that like on the rim so the chocolate started to melt a little bit. It's even better. But that's like a sugar bomb. I think just the marshmallows by themselves are totally fine and delicious. Alright, so there you go. Golden brown. Try to get that camera to focus. There we go. Golden brown all the way around. Perfect marshmallows. Pull these off and eat those. Absolutely delicious. Now you know how to do them at home. And you can throw your stick in there. Perfect. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.